Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to my channel. This video is coming a little bit late. It's Tracy's Sunday Challenge, the 5th of November, but we're getting there. This week's theme is embossing folders. So I'm using the Christmas Tidings embossing folder, the Nested Essential Dies, the Berry Cute stamp set, which is gorgeous. Our inks are Azure Afternoon, Boho Blue, Balmy Blue, and Night of Navy. I did change up from my sample card. The sample card, instead of Azure Afternoon, has Pool Party, so it's going to look a little bit different. Our cardstocks are Night of Navy, Balmy Blue, and Basic White Thick cardstock, and we're going to start with that Basic White Thick that we're going to emboss. So we're just going to add some colour down with our blending brushes. This is Balmy Blue. Also, we're going to use Azure Afternoon and Boho Blue. So it is going to look different every time that you do this, unless you do your ink blending exactly the same. What's really great is you could change the colors up. You can change your embossing folder, which is also, you know, this technique's good for so many different things, and I really hope that you'll give it a go. Now, along with this technique, I've got some tips and tricks for you to maybe help not making the mistakes that I've made previously, and hopefully you can learn from it. And I really do hope that you'll give this technique a go as well. So once we have all our colors on, and you can use as many colors or as little colors as you like. I went with the blues because I wanted a real wintry Christmas feel, but you know, you can do whatever you have. Okay, so we have our color down. What we're going to do now is we're going to bring in our embossing folder, and I'm using the Christmas Tidings, which is in the mini catalogue. What we're going to do is we're going to add colour to, well, for this one, because this has got writing on it, you want to add it to the Stampin' Up! Logo side. I will show you why you don't want to add it to the other side. But what's really great is this technique, if it's not, doesn't have wording on it, you can use either side and you're going to get a different look depending on what side you use. But if there's wording on it, please use the Stampin' Up! Logo side. What we're going to do is I've just sandwiched it in the embossing folder. We're going to run it through like normal. And what this is this is going to add that Night of Navy colour or ink into the card. So it's going to create that background. What we're seeing the colours through is the embossed piece. So super cute. Isn't that beautiful? I love how this turned out, and I love that it's a little bit more brighter. So here's my mistake. I decided to do the other side and see what that looked like. Because it's back to front, it doesn't look good. You're reading everything backwards. So if it's not, doesn't have writing on it, it'll work fine. And what it'll be is whatever colour you're inked down on your embossing folder, that is what's going to be prominent in the colour. You'll see the background is what you have used your blending brushes for. So we're also going to do the inside of our card. So I have Balmy Blue cardstock. I'm also going to just bring in that embossing folder, add a little layer of ink down the bottom, like so. And then we're going to place the edge of our Balmy Blue cardstock in and just run that through the embossing folder again. So I wanted to make sure that I got that reindeer feature, or the sentence. And we just want a little bit to add the colour in. And you can see I just added a little bit of ink to my card base, but it'll be fine. Let's run that one through our cut and emboss machine. Now, if you're in need of any of the supplies that I'm using on today's card, you can purchase them in my online store. There is a link to that online store in the description of this video. And I would love it if you come and shop with me. I have really great customer gifts that I give out to my customers every month. This month for November is a handmade card, and you can see that in here on my YouTube channel. And I also have a November tutorial bundle, which has, I think, 54 projects in it, and you're going to get lots of inspiration. So I have die cut from the Nested Essential Dies from the Balmy Blue cardstock, stamped the sentiment, Christmas is better, together with the Night of Navy ink. We've added some dimensionals to our embossed piece. We're going to place that down. So pretty. We're going to add our inside layer. So this is a really quick card once you've got it done, but I think it really packs a bit of a wow to your card as well. It looks like you've done a lot more than what you have. So Obviously you could just pop your sentiment down. We're going to bring in that beautiful Night of Navy and Gold 1/2 inch glittered ribbon that's in the mini catalogue. I'm just going to add a few layers to it in the background. Going to pop that down with some tear and tape, and we're going to pop that sentiment up. Now you could leave it just like that, which looks beautiful with that gold glittered ribbon. I'm also going to add a few of our festive pearls in the background, because you know you want to add a little bit more gold in the background, and this is an easy way to do it. I'm going to add 3 down there. I don't think I said that embossed basic white piece is layered down on balmy blue cardstock as well. Now you can find all the measurements in the description of the video if you would like to recreate this card. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do that as well. And if you would like to join in this week's Tracy Sunday Challenge, you can. All you need to do is just take a photo of your project, go over to my business Facebook page, find the Tracy Sunday Challenge post, and then pop your photo of your project in the description or in the comments section, and we would love to see what you create. Now if you don't have time to create, that's okay. Head on over to my Facebook business page and you can see what everyone else is creating. They have their samples there to share with you as well. Alright everyone, I hope that you've enjoyed those few tips and tricks. I hope you'll give this technique a chance and have a go at it, and I'll see you back here next week. Alright everyone, have a good day. Bye bye.